How then am I so different from the first man through this way? Like them, I left a settled life, I threw it all away, to seek a northwest passage at the call of many men, to find there but the road back home again. Ah, for just one time I would take the Northwest Passage, to find the hand of Franklin reaching for the Beaufort Sea, tracing one war